Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are dealing with tons of logs and need powerful insights for security and operational monitoring, then you've come to the right place because in today's video, we are diving into Sumo Logic, the cloud-native log analytics software that helps IT and security teams detect threats and troubleshoot issues, and of course, gain real-time visibility into their data. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to visit the official website, which is going to be sumologic.com. From here, you have two options on the top right corner. You have the demo. There's going to be a drop-down menu wherein you can click the interactive demos, click through interactive platform demos now. Click the live demo, real expert, but it would be wise if you click the start free trial on the top right button. It will be forwarded here wherein you can start your 30-day free trial. No credit card required. All you have to do is provide the business email and follow the on-screen instructions. And then what will happen is you will be receiving a welcome email from Sumo Logic to activate your account. And again, it's going to be a 30-day free trial. Click that button. All right. Once you have finalized all the signups, you will be forwarded to the homepage of Sumo Logic. All right. So you'll be welcomed with the dashboard. Click on OK. And you would notice that here, basically, Sumo Logic is a cloud-based log management and SIEM, which stands for Security Information and Event Management Platform that helps real-time monitoring, security analytics, and compliance. All right, so on the left side panel of your dashboard, you would notice that you can install collectors and sources. All right, by clicking up the setup data, you can choose your journey. You can quick start with a CLI, Kubernetes, Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. So these are going to be the default installed apps on your account. So if you are choosing going to be Windows, all right, so this is going to be like similar instructions were in the PowerShell. Run the installation command right here. You have the installation token set, scanning for a collector, and installing contents. Number two is going to be using Sumo. As soon as the collector and content is installed, you may start using Sumo Logic. All right. If you want the manual step-by-step to install, you need to click this button. You will be forwarded here in this section. But if you don't, just hover back again to the section right here on the homepage. Now, when your dashboard is ready, you can simply click the View Sample Dashboard right here. Now, again, it can help you monitor the health of the transactional application. For example, you have already connected your journey. You would notice that you have all this information so you can track users interaction and performance metrics. All right, for example, on the homepage there's like a 2197. This one is this, and the colors differentiates all the information. Now we're gonna cover the left side panel of your platform that consists of app catalog. Now this contains the pre-built dashboards, queries, and alerts for various integrations. So you have all the third-party services ready for you to use on Sumo Logic. For example, if you want to use any next-gen apps, right here you have the abnormal security, WAN password. You have all these. All right, for the classic apps, you have Amazon App Flow, Amazon App Stream 2.0, and Amazon Athena. All right, so these are going to be some of the sections. You can select the category, for example, compliance and security, work from home solution, and there's a lot basically, right? So Slack, Workday, Zoom, and Zscaler. Now, the next is, for example, if you want to install maybe a Microsoft Office 365, if you click on it, you will be forwarded here. Just click on the installed app to analyze authentication events and a lot more. All right. The next is going to be the manage data. So basically, this helps you collect processes and log data from different sources. If you click on the logs, you have these, collection, metrics, and of course, monitoring. Now, if you want to configure a Windows event log right here, click on the logs to collect security logs from any Windows servers. All you have to do is click the add a new button here and add a new name field But again, it might take several minutes to the new field to be available. Now we're going to skip that because we're going to be going to the automation instead, because it's kind of really an important part of Sumo Logic. Why? Because the automation helps you to log analysis, alerts, and securities workflows using APIs and script. You have the App Central, for example. These are going to be some of the integrations that you can employ through Sumo Logic. ThreatDown, OneView, Google Drive, CrowdStrike, Falcon, Slack. Basically, there's a lot. If you go to the playbooks, you would notice that you have all these: malware, phishing, denial of service, and deleted. All right. The three buttons here is going to be the playbook preferences if you want to click on apply, and the app button to import if you want. You can drag some file here, or you see this column configuration. You can set this depending on your preferences and settings. All right. Again, the next is going to be the bridge. If you're using Ubuntu and CentOS Red Hat, you might want to explore this, but we're going to skip that for now because we're going to discuss the automation. Now, automation is part of the integrations. If you want to automate log analysis and security workflows, you can do that as well. Now, on the bottom left corner, you have what it says, switch to new UI. Now, this section allows you to toggle between the old and new interface. How is that? Click the Let's Get Started button. The new UI offers improved navigation and faster performance. Click on Next and just follow the on-screen instructions. The global toolbar here. So, although it has an enhanced dashboards and query experience, a user testing the new UI version can always revert to the old UI if needed. Right? So you have the Copilot. You can rename the Copilot instead here. Ask something, a new conversation. If you want to learn more about Copilot, just click on this section. Now, go to, on the top right, is going to be the search bar for you to make access to different sections a lot easier. For example, if you want to go to all dashboards, click on it. You will be forwarded here. All right? If you want to know more about the some information about Sumo Logic, you can always go to the help section. Again, if you feel that Sumo Logic is going to be the platform for you, click the upgrade plan, because this would forward you to a page wherein you can manage your plan. And of course, make sure that Sumo Logic is going to be the analytics platform for you and your organization. Remember, right now we are on the trial current plan, and you can use all these. But the thing is, free plan reduces capabilities. You kind of like your unlimited interaction. If you want to scale up, you might want to go to the troubleshoot, which starts at $931 per year. They collaborate and they orchestrate, which is like a lot. But again, before you decide to commit to a bigger subscription plan, I highly suggest you optimize and leverage the free plan. Again, Sumo Logic is giving you 29 days free trial, absolutely at no cost. All right. So that's going to be a perfect and golden opportunity for you to test waters and make sure that this is going to be the security, powerful log analytics platform that could help you boost your organization. All right. So it pays off, if you ask me. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.